A very good morning to all my dear students. Children, we have already studied the concept of rational numbers, which states that any number which can be written in the form of p by q, where both p and q are integers and the denominator q is not equal to 0, is called a rational number. Now let us study how to find rational numbers smaller or greater than a rational number. Students, in a number line, as we know that any number which is written to the left of a particular number is smaller than that number, whereas the numbers which are written to the right of a particular number are greater than that number on a number line. So here in this question, where we have to write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2, we see the number line and we can see that before 2 the numbers which are written are 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. So all these numbers which are written to the left of 2 are smaller than 2. Got it? Now if the question arises that which numbers are greater than 2? So it's very easy to see the number line. You can extend it and the numbers which come on the right, that is 3, 4, 5 and so on, will be greater than the rational number 2. Now children, let us explore this in detail. Let us find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Now both the rational numbers 3 and 4 can be written as 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. So as we have to find 6 rational numbers, we multiply the numbers by 7 by 7. So 3 when multiplied by 7 by 7 will make it 21 by 7 and 4 when multiplied by 7 by 7 will make it 28 by 7. Now these two rational numbers are equivalent to 3 and 4 respectively. Thus the 6 rational numbers which come between 3 and 4, that is actually 21 by 7 and 28 by 7, are 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. Now let us consider an example of a negative rational number and 0. We need to find 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. So here we will multiply the numbers by 6 upon 6 to make them equivalent rational numbers with denominator 6. So when we multiply -1 by 6 upon 6, we will get -6 by 6. And when we multiply 0 by 6 upon 6, we will get 0 by 6. Now to find the 5 rational numbers coming between them, we have to see the numerators 0 and -1. The numbers between 0 and -1 with denominator 6 will become -5 by 6, -4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6 and minus 1 by 6. So in this way, we have to go towards the negative side from 0 so that we get the rational numbers between 0 and any negative rational number. Now we have another case. Here we have to find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. In this case, both the denominators are different. So, our first step is to take the LCM of the denominators, which is 15. Now, we have to make the denominators same. So, for the first rational number 2 by 3, we have to multiply it by 5 by 5 to make it 10 by 15. The next rational number 4 by 5 needs again to be converted to denominator 15. So, we will multiply it by 3 by 3 to make it 12 by 15. Now, as you can see, both the denominators are same and both the rational numbers have become like. But when we see the numerators, there is only one number coming between 10 and 12, that is 11. So we come to the next step. Since we need to find 5 rational numbers, we have to make both these rational numbers a little bigger. So we will multiply these rational numbers by 6 by 6. When you multiply 10 upon 15 by 6 by 6, you will make it 60 by 90. And when you multiply 12 by 15 by 6 by 6, you will make it 72 by 90. Now in this case, we have increased the numerators and the denominators, and the denominators are still the same. So the 5 rational numbers coming between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, which have now become 60 by 90 and 72 by 90, will become 61 by 90, 62 by 90, 63 by 90, 64 by 90 and 65 by 90. Now let us take an example of 2 negative rational numbers. Here we have taken minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Our first step is to make the denominators same, for which we will take the LCM of the denominators 3 and 5, which is 15. The first rational number minus 4 by 5 needs to be multiplied by 3 by 3 to make it minus 12 by 15. The second rational number minus 2 by 3 needs to be multiplied by 5 by 5 to make it minus 10 by 15. Now both the denominators are same. But again, when we observe the numerator, we can see that between minus 12 and minus 10, only minus 11 by 15 will come. So we have to again increase them, since we have to find 5 rational numbers between them. So we will multiply both the rational numbers minus 12 by 15 and minus 10 by 15 by 6 upon 6 to make them minus 72 by 90 and minus 60 by 90. So the 5 rational numbers between the 2 rational numbers will become minus 71 by 90, minus 70 by 90, minus 69 by 90, minus 68 by 90 and minus 67 by 90. Children, you may also take the rational numbers from minus 60 onwards. That is minus 61 by 90, minus 62 by 90 and so on. Now based on this explanation, you need to solve exercise 1.2 of your textbooks, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7 in your maths notebook.